Okay, now the software installation part. So there are various methods to install software in your Ubuntu operating system. You can use the Ubuntu Software Center, apt package manager, dip package manager, snap packages, flatpak, and some others. Let's just give some examples on each of this method. So the first Ubuntu Software Center, it is nothing but a store, just like your Android phone has a Play Store, or Microsoft has a Microsoft PowerPoint. You can find it here, Ubuntu software. You just don't need any accounts or something to install a software, but it has limitations actually. The number of software here is pretty low, so you can search it by categories. uh, just like if I want to search music and audio, and then yeah, it will take some time to load actually. The network here is pretty slow. So basically what it does is that you just need to go uh, to that application and just click install. If you click install, it will ask for the password. Of course you are uh, going to install and making changes to the system, so it will need root permission. So just give your password and authenticate, then the installation process will start. So let me just cancel it. Okay, now here you can see there is a snap store. It is selected as snap store. Probably in your system it will also select as a snap store, and the version will be the latest one. You can check your snap version from the software updater. So then actually the software center doesn't have many softwares. There is a limitation in numbers, and uh, there is a huge possibilities that you will not find your respected software here. So there is some other package managers like apt and snap package. So apt is personally my favorite. I don't want to go argue uh, with you go on argue with you. So to install software by using apt package manager, just to understand in simple way, let's just consider that it is another store. Okay, so what you need to do is that you just mm, enter the command like sudo apt update and sudo install package name. So what does this command do? Sudo apt update, let me show you. Sudo apt update. So what sudo do is that it will give the command to run the uh, rootly, or you can say it that you are running the command as a super user sudo. So if I hit enter, it will ask for my password, and like I said, you just need to type it and type the password and hit enter. It doesn't show the uh, asterisk or others like other operating system. What this command does is that it will update the it will check the package managers if there is any update or not. So uh, it has checked my package managers, and it shows that 8 packages can be upgraded. Okay, 8 package has been updated. You can simply say that I have an Android phone, and it is showing that I have an update. If I want to update it, just press enter. So in Ubuntu operating system, what you need to do is that sudo apt upgrade. Yeah, it will upgrade, and it will ask that 44 kilobyte of additional disk will be added. So just press Y and hit enter. Yeah. uh, okay, it's pretty fancy to look that bar, but the net is quite slow, so it will take some time. Yeah, let's just wait. Okay, the upgrade is completed. Now suppose I want to install uh, a package using apt package manager. What I need to do is run the command sudo apt install, then the package name. So curl is an package name. Now to install curl, what I need to do is sudo apt install curl, and it is done. Curl is now installed. So if you just curl, so what it does is that it is installed. Okay, so curl, try curl help to get the help of that curl. It curl doesn't have any graphics user interface like other software. Like there is calculator, it has an icon in the app drawer, and it does have the graphics user interface, but curl doesn't have that. So you just need to call it through the terminal. So by using this method, you can install the software through apt package manager. And now there is another package manager named snap. So you have already seen that snap comes with by default Ubuntu software. uh, by saying this, I meant that, like if I just search for VLC, so it will take time obviously. Like I said, the network is not good. Okay, here the VLC has come. So if I just click, it will load, and the software is going to be installed by Snap Store. So either you can just press a here install, or you can just type it as a sudo snap install, then package name sudo snap install, then VLC. Okay, so it's just downloading. It is just downloading the software from Snap Store, and then it will install. Okay, suddenly the internet speed is high, but okay. Yeah, here you can see it's downloading VLC from the Snap Store. Yeah, it's downloading from the channel stable. What is mean? It's not beta version or alpha version. It's the stable release. Yeah, so by this method, you can install uh, softwares from Snap Store. Then there is another store. It's Flatpak. So basically, Flatpak is another store like apt or Snap. So you can use this command to install software from Flatpak. And now there are some files, like in Windows you can see these files are .exe file, right? If you just double click it, and then uh, you can install. So uh, just like that .exe file, there is a file name .deb. So suppose I want to install. Okay, VLC is installed. It is shown here. Okay, so let me just clear it. Suppose I want to install a Google Chrome, so uh, I will use the Firefox to download the Chrome. CHROM Chrome, download Chrome, and you can see in the corner. Okay, this part is important. It automatically gets that my system is Ubuntu or Debian system, not a Fedora or OpenSUSE. So accept and install. I will press it. Okay, the download starts and it's downloading. Okay, uh, I have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, now in the downloads you can see this. I just delete this previous file. Okay, so this is the Google Chrome .dev file. Let me just rename it just Google. Okay, .dev. So this is the .exe file. If I want to compare it with Windows operating system, so how you can install it? There are actually two processes to install .dev. First process is that you click the .dev, then right click and open with other application, and you choose software install, then select. Okay, then by pressing here you can see that it will indicate that Google Chrome installable is a software, and by pressing here you can install it. It's just like you have a downloaded .apk file in your Android phone, and through file manager you are installing it. Okay, just like that. Like here you can see the source is a local file, then by pressing here simply you can install it. And there is another process through the terminal. So to install .dev, what you need to do is sudo, of course you have to be super user, sudo dpkg -i, sudo dpkg -i. Yeah, I often I often make mistake with the hyphen. I often call it slash, so please forgive me. Then the file name google dot .deb. Okay, you can see sudo, as I am making changes in the system, so I need the root permission, and then dp key is a through this I will install .deb file, and I don't know what that I means, and then the file name. Okay, then hit enter. You can see that cannot access archive auto, no such file or folder. So what it is showing that now I don't have the permission, I cannot access google.db. What I need to do is chmod. Okay, let me just check if I have the execution permission or not. So ls hyphen l and google. Okay, it's not showing it. Google.deb. Okay, what mistake I have done? Oh, sorry. Currently I am not in the downloads directory, so you can see I am in the home directory but not in the download directory. So obviously the file is not in the uh, home directory, so I cannot access it if it is not there. So I need to navigate to the download directory. Okay, now I am in download directory, and let me see. Okay, now I have the .db file. So what I will do is I will just copy this and paste here. Okay, okay, now it is just unpacking or unzipping. Okay, now what it does it that it has installed Google Chrome. as far as my knowledge. Let me just check it. So the file will be named as Google hyphen Chrome. Sorry. Okay. You see the software is installed. You can also access it as the Chrome has a graphics user interface. It will have a icon here, Google Chrome. So that's the two process you can install .deb. Okay, let me just show you one thing. You can also uninstall Google Chrome. Uh, so what is the uninstalled? Let me just show you. Okay, let me just type the command. So you can use chat GPT like me to uh, write these commands. Actually, using chat GPT has made using Ubuntu more simpler. Let me show you. So let me just go to the incognito chat GPT. So what I need to do is uninstall command Google Chrome Ubuntu. Okay, so it will give me various commands, but what I need to do is that this is app tester. Okay, this is app tester, but I have installed it through .dev. So I need to say him that the file has been installed through .dev. The file has been installed with .dev. Okay, same, fine. I'll just copy it and let me just clear here. Okay, paste. Yeah, I will accept that. So you see, for uninstall the software, I don't need to be in the download directory. I can do it through any directory in the terminal. Okay, so I literally don't need to be in the same directory where the .dev file was. Okay, so the that's .dev file package installation. Okay, this is important note. Please be careful. Sometimes it will show that when you will just try to install the file, you will see an error like errors were encountered while processing. It is because there are some dependencies that are not present in your system. So what you will do is that you will just play the command, sorry, you will just type the command sudo apt get install slash forward hyphen f, and then retype the command. The problem will be solved. This is important. Okay, note this down. Okay, there is another type, app images. So I tried to install FreeCAD. So if I go to the website FreeCAD, there will be uh, some app images file, and you can see there are files. My system is 64 bits. Okay, but there are two files, Linux x86 64 app image and Linux arch 64.app image. So I have downloaded this two files in my Ubuntu system. Here you can see. Let me just okay. This is Linux 86 64. That means 32 bits and 64 bit, and again this is Linux but Arch Linux based. So I cannot execute the Arch Linux based app image because my system is not Arch based. So how you can execute the file is that, let me clear the terminal. Yeah, first of all you have to navigate to the folder or directory where the app image file is. Now I am already in the uh, app image directory, and then press ls. Please keep in mind that it is important to see that the file you are going to execute, the app image file, it need to be in green, or you can say that you have uh, to ensure that you has the execution permission. So FreeCAD X, and you can see that as a user I have the execution permission. So what you need to do for execution is that you have to press dot forward slash, sorry, dot forward slash and the file name. So the file name is FreeCAD Linux x86.atims, not the other one, okay, not the arch Linux one. Okay, now press enter, and you can see that there is some error. What is that? This app image require fuse to run. This is a common problem of Ubuntu softwares, that it needs to have various dependencies which is by default not installed. So what it indicates that I have to go to this link. So I just opened it, and you can see that to install fuse, of course I need to install it because the app images require fuse, but my system is not 24.04, it's 22.04. So I'll just copy these two commands and execute in. You can execute in anywhere, because this will just download from the repository and not from the local file. Okay, and hit enter. Yeah, adding another enter needed. Okay, now I need to wait. Actually, okay, it's installed. Then let's again try to execute the app image. So what I need to do is, yes, FreeCAD dot select FreeCAD app image. Okay, yeah, you can see the dot app image is executed. Yeah, this is the FreeCAD. So I have covered the software center, apt package manager, deep packages, snap packages, flatpak, and app images. And there are also several uh, process or types, like building the software from the sources or something. But I am quite sure that as you have known 5 or 6 processes, you can do the rest. And best of luck.